Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up Cash App for Twitch, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this Reddit article here, and as you can see in the answer, setting up Cash App or connecting it with Twitch is not possible since they are not partnered, or rather, Cash App isn't partnered with Twitch or any alert box providers. So if you're trying to set it up for donations during the stream, so that it pops up during the stream, it's sadly not possible at the moment because they're not currently partnered. Now, you can literally just take your Cash App link or your Cash App username, the cash username, which you can, or cash tag, I'm pretty sure it's called. You can just put it anywhere on your Twitch profile if you want people to donate to you, and you can set it up there, and that should be good enough if you want to. However, you won't be getting any alert notifications on your stream, but other than that, you can look into the Streamlabs or Stream Elements donation systems if you want to set up alert systems on the stream, or you can use something different such as Coffee or anything else of the sort. And that is pretty much it. Again, sadly, I couldn't show you guys exactly how to set it up because there is no way, and you'll need to search for an alternative if you're looking for notifications for donations, and if not, you can just put your Cash App information on the Twitch account that you use, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.